Our final Jeopardy category today is medicine, and our champion Ryan is in the lead. Let's reveal the clue. This specific type of injury has made news at least since 1967, when it happened to Red Sox star Jim Lonborg. 30 seconds, players. Good luck. We'll begin on the end with Laura Sanzo in third place with 11,400. What did you write down, Laura? You came up with what is Tommy John, and I'm afraid that's incorrect. How much did you wager? Oh, you wagered everything, so your score will drop to 0. Michael Harris in the middle was in second place with 14,200. What response did you come up with, Michael? What is ACL? That is correct, anterior cruciate ligament. You're going to add to that score. What did you wager, Michael? $14,000 takes you to 28,200. And for the moment, you are in the lead over our champion, Ryan Gosling, with 25,600. What did Ryan write down? He wrote down, what is IDK? He didn't know and I'm told by our judges, we will accept that. An ACL tear is also known as an IDK, internal derangement of the knee. Well done, Ryan. What did you wager? Everything. You double your score to 51,200. Ryan Gosling, congratulations. What a Hail Mary from our champion, Ryan Gosling.
Wow.
Thank you for joining us today on Jeopardy. We'll see you next time.